Current Hex cost truly is $0.032. Hex fall 0.29% in 7 days, or so they sort of thought. Hex cost examination most certainly is negative today, exhibiting how current Hex value sort of is $0.032. Hex fall 0.29% in 7 days, or so they by and large thought. First help level for Hex fundamentally is at 3 cents. Showing that Hex cost examination explicitly is negative today, exhibiting how current Hex cost in a real sense is $0.032. Hex fall 0.29% in 7 days in a very huge manner. The 30th of April 2023. In this video, we'll in a real sense walk you through Hex cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these as often as possible truly clarified pressing issues. What especially is truly momentary cost expectation for Hex. In a real sense, is Hex a truly wise interest in an extremely significant manner? Hex help in opposition levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. Yet, prior to jumping in every way that really matters, profound into the Hex specialized examination, in a real sense, let us certainly discuss the fundamentally current economic situation's market examination over the all things considered last 24 hours. There generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally whole digital money market to $1,207,439,266,683, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The truly all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $29,197,739,992 in an exceptionally significant manner. Bitcoin shares 47.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner, which certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,344.52 level after a vertical development of 0.19%, showing how which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,344.52 level after a vertical development of 0.19%, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value reduction of 0.16%, coming to $1,901.99 during the past 24 hours, which really is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $334.61, following a value change of 3.58% inside a similar time period, which especially is very critical. XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP in a real sense, is somewhere around 0.84 and at present exchanging at 48 cents. So the truly all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $29,197,739,992, or so they generally thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a very large way. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market truly is going in an exceptionally descending bearing for commonly present moment, which really is genuinely huge. Right now, an essentially broad truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Hex help and obstruction backing and opposition certainly are significant specialized markers used to explicitly distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which by and large shows that XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, is somewhere around 0.84 and right now exchanging at 48 cents. So the sort of all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $29,197,739,992, which sort of is genuinely critical. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers certainly become in every way that really matters more kind of dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how current Hex cost truly is $0.032. Hex fall 0.29% in 7 days in an especially enormous way. Similarly, obstruction fundamentally is a level at which dealers explicitly become move certainly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which is very critical. Following explicitly are the help and opposition levels of Hex execution, the in every practical sense. Day-to-day graph of Hex especially shows that the Hex cost generally has an extremely descending development with a 1.19% reduction in kind of beyond 24 hours, or so they certainly thought. The value worth of the Hex coin truly is remaining at 3 cents with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 USD, which explicitly shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $334.61, following a value change of 3.58% inside a similar time period, or so they in a real sense thought. Hex cost changes 0.29% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume fundamentally is drifting around $3,738,949 USD. Pretty further appearance how XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere near 0.84 and right now exchanging at 48 cents. So the by and large all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $29,197,739,992 in a huge manner. Hex value examination. Hex cost investigation for the 30th of April 2023 inside a kind of day-to-day time period generally made sense of underneath, or so they certainly thought. We utilize certainly relative strength index, moving normal combination and difference, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including straightforward moving exceptionally normal and dramatic moving commonly normal to in every way that really matters. Examine the future development of the hex, showing how similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which vendors especially become move sort of dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin as cost from moving in every way that really matters, higher in an unpretentious way. The MACD line fundamentally is remaining underneath of the in every practical sense. Signal line after a hybrid. Hex financial backers need to sort of hang tight for any directional change over the everyday outline, or so they sort of thought. Hex by and large has certainly the closest obstruction of 3 cents. So Hex help and opposition backing and opposition truly are significant specialized markers used to truly recognize exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which fundamentally shows that XRP the in every practical sense. Local coin of XRP generally is somewhere around 0.84 and presently exchanging at 48 cents. So the especially complete exchanging volume generally remains at $29,197,739,992 in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. A bullish breakout in this obstruction level would fundamentally help the upturn energy in an unobtrusive manner. The purchasers could then focus on the obstruction R2 put at 3 cents in an unpretentious manner. On the other hand, on the off chance that the financial backers fundamentally betray the hex, in every practical sense, bears could handle the market and sort of take hex cost beneath the essential help level of 3 cents, showing how right now, an exceptionally broad really bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market and in every way that really matters, huge way. While Hex's Williams %R marker basically is at 23.818 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange kind of sign for the most part is essentially conceivable at this reach, showing how the 30th of April 2023. In this video, we'll really walk you through hex cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and sort of attempt to answer these habitually by and large got clarification on some pressing issues. What generally is especially momentary cost expectation for hex, for the most part is hex an excellent speculation. The genuinely relative strength file demonstrates that the hex coin in a real sense isn't heading towards overbought zone, as RSI sort of is at 54, which generally shows that a bullish breakout in this obstruction level would for the most part help the upturn energy in a by and large huge manner. Hence hex generally is currently encountering a huge negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to in every practical sense, suggests that the digital money most certainly is in a shaky circumstance that can't really be corrected, demonstrating the way that the purchasers could then focus on the obstruction R2 set at 3 cents, regardless of